Hi friends, welcome back. So today I would like to decorate the urns, I guess, that I have in front of the, it's very windy out here, so if the camera is moving, I'm so sorry. Today I would like to decorate the urns that I have by the arbor. Honestly, I'm not in the mood for the holiday season. Before the season started, I was excited. I couldn't wait for Thanksgiving to pass, but the closer, we get to Christmas, the sadder, that's the word, right? Yeah, the sadder I get. It's just, Christmas is just not the same, and I'm putting on a brave face and doing the best that I can to not spoil it for my children, because they are kids and they believe in the whole magical fairy tale and everything that comes with Christmas. So I'm doing the best for them. Anyways, I still have a lot of bulbs to plant, so I'm doing my inventory check in here for all the bulbs and everything that's going on in here. I'm gonna plant some more bulbs sometime tonight, later this evening. So let me show you what I have. I'm gonna keep it very simple. I bought some of the the winter greens, because I don't have a lot of evergreens or much that I can really cut from or forage from in the area. So I bought just like 4 little bundles, and I'm going to use some hydrangeas and some other things that I have in the house that I can reuse. Like I said, I'm just not in the mood, but my husband said I need to get it together, get out the funk, and just put up some lights, play some music, and just do what I do. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. So we recently worked on this area. Oh, excuse the hose, I need to wrap it back up. And these are the containers that I'm going to do something with. And I'm also going to put lights on the fence, light on this arbor as well, and probably put some lights in the urns. I also want to put lights on this arborvitae right here, and lights on these junipers that I have going on in the front, and my husband's going to put lights on the house. Oh my goodness. So I'm here looking at it, guys, and I'm just like, I don't know. I did not buy enough of the bunches, the juniper and the cedar bunch. So I had to trim a few branches off of my Canadian hemlock to put in here to make it look somewhat full, but not too overly full, because we do have the hollies in here. And I forgot to put the lights on. I'm not 100% satisfied. I have one bunch of this. What is this? This one doesn't have a name, and I don't know what it is just by looking at it. I'm not well versed in evergreens. So I have this bunch. I'm gonna push somewhere if I see empty spots, just to fill it in just a little bit to give it more body. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just I did not come out here with a full plan, as I stated earlier, because I'm just not in the mood. But we're just gonna do something and see what happens. Okay, we're just gonna go with the flow and see what happens. So this first one that I did, it looks amazing. It looks full. It looks pretty good. I should flock those hydrangea blooms, add some fake snow or something, but yeah. Come on over here and it's like, no, like, oh, really, what is going on here? This one looked like the stepsister. You know when the stepmom, those stepmoms that, this is Cinderella. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what this one looks like to me. I'm going to add another hydrangea or so in the front to make it look a little bit more fuller. I mean, I don't know. But I'm going to do that, and then we're just going to move on to the lights, because we're blues and light. It's getting dark.
I feel rain. I feel it on my head.
Friends, this is all I got done. The arb is still empty, and I have yet to get to the junipers. But so far, this is as far as I got. Half of the lights aren't even working, so to be honest, I'm frustrated. But it's not looking bad. When it gets darker, I'm gonna come back out here so you guys can see what it looks like at night. I was not 100% with the containers, but my daughter came out here. She said she loved it, and that's all that matters. This is all I got done. Okay, I'm losing lights, and once it gets extremely dark, then I'm going to come back out here so you guys can see what it looks like. They are on a timer. They will be running for 12 hours, so from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. or from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. and shuts off in the morning time. It is dark by 5 o'clock here and still dark at 6 a.m. So that's that. Ooh, chill. It's getting cold. By the way, today was 70 degrees, I think, 70, 71, 72, somewhere around there. And now it's getting pretty chilly with the wind. My husband will string up the rest of the house, and then I'm going to get more lights because I need some new lights. String up the arb and the junipers, and then, oh, I got to show you guys what my porch looked like. in another video. Um, and that's that. I might carry this light right here, ooh, all the way down the fence line, but I don't know. I'm gonna go inside, play some Christmas music, and drink some eggnog spiked with some Jamaican rum, and see if I can get myself in the mood and get myself out the funk that I'm in. I'm gonna bake a nice, beautiful black fruit cake. It's either black cake, rum cake, or fruit cake. Um, Bake some cookies with the kids, and you know. When I think of the holidays, I think of family gathering together out of love, you know, just spending quality time with each other. And I don't have that. My husband doesn't have that. It's just us building that from now and hoping and praying that our kids stay together, continue to be loving with each other, and when they do have their family, they come together as one, as a collective, and celebrate with each other. So I'm just a little bit in the funk, okay? I'll get out of it. I'll get out of it soon. I'm going to look for more clearance plants or some clearance bulbs, and then I'll be fine. Temporarily. Until the holiday season's over. Anyway, bye guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.